AI isn't coming for your job, it's already changing it. But by 2030, that change could be unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. Welcome to Future Tense, where we explore the science, tech, and ideas shaping what comes next. Right now, AI is quietly reshaping how we work. From software that writes its own code, to machines that deliver our groceries, to AI voices, replacing customer service agents. The tools we once used are becoming co-workers. But this is just the beginning. In 2025, we've already seen breakthroughs like GPT-4, Robo-Taxi, and AI co-pilots that assist with everything from coding to content creation. These aren't toys. They're already making businesses faster, leaner, and in some cases, cutting out the need for human input altogether. But how far will it go by 2030? Let's talk about the vulnerable roles. Jobs based on routine, repetition, or prediction, those are first in line. Think data entry, telemarketing, basic legal review, even accounting. AI systems don't get tired. They don't take coffee breaks. And they're getting cheaper fast. Manual jobs with low variability, like warehouse sorting, checkout clerks, and even some cleaning tasks, are being replaced by robots at scale. Even white-collar workers aren't safe. If your job involves analyzing, summarizing, or formatting, AI can already do it. And it's only getting better. But it's not all replacement. Some jobs will evolve instead. AI will become a tool, kind of a superpowered assistant, and the humans who learn to use it will thrive. A copywriter with GPT-5 isn't out of work, they're 10 times faster. A teacher with an AI lesson planner can focus more on mentoring. A doctor with diagnostic AI, even more accurate. These roles won't vanish. They'll transform. And then there are the jobs that don't even exist yet. Prompt engineers, AI ethicists, neuro UX designers, human AI, collaboration specialists, virtual experience curators. In 2005, no one was hiring social media managers. In 2015, crypto auditor wasn't a job. By 2030, some of the most in-demand careers will be ones we haven't even named yet. So what's the real danger? It's not that AI will steal your job. It's that it might evolve faster than you can. Governments, schools, and companies aren't moving fast enough. Millions risk being left behind, not because they're replaceable, but because no one taught them how to adapt. And when change happens this quickly, the gap between those who adapt and those who don't gets dangerously wide. So what can you do now? Don't ignore AI, learn to use it. Make it your co-pilot, not your competitor. Focus on what machines still lack: judgment, creativity, emotional intelligence, ethics. In a world of perfect prediction, it's the unpredictable, the human, that matters more than ever. And remember this: AI won't take your job, but someone using AI might. The world of work is being rewritten faster than ever. But the future isn't fixed. It's being built in real time. Subscribe to Future Tense to stay ahead of what's coming. Because understanding the next wave might just be your most powerful skill. Stay curious, stay human, and I'll see you in the next one.